How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, you want to click on the avatar or profile picture at the top left. And once you're here, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. From this list right here, the first section, click on Bitmoji right here. And you will get to this page right here. Now, once you are here, all the way at the bottom, you will see there's an option that says unlink my Bitmoji. Click on it. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to do that? And it will tell you what will happen once you remove your Bitmoji. Click on remove to continue. As soon as you do that, you will see that your Bitmoji has been removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.